We're also, of course, getting reaction to last night's Brexit vote from Westminster, but also away from here. What's the verdict of British businesses? Steph is out and about at a firm in Birmingham that makes lots of metal components. Morning again, Steph.
Yes, good morning to you, Lou. Morning, everybody. This is Brandauer. So they make lots of metal components and have these massive machines to do it. You can see this one here. Interestingly, they've got the water inside. It's like a little mini swimming pool in there because that's where all the cutting is done of the metal. So this machine will be making a part like this. And then that part will be put on another machine through the other bit of the building, and that will then make this little part for you. And then this little part goes inside of here, which you might recognise from plumbing. So they make billions of metal things every single day in this business, and they employ around 65 people as well. It's in the heart of Birmingham, this manufacturer, and the boss is Rowan. Let me grab the mic, I've forgotten it, I knew I would. Da-da-da. Right, Rowan, there we are. Now we'll be able to hear you. So, Rowan, tell me a bit about your business. Where are you sending these parts? Where would we see them? That type of thing.
So, Brandauer exports 75% of their components to 22 countries worldwide. Europe, North America, and Asia, China being our biggest revenue market. And
when you say parts, what are we talking about? Where will we see those bits of metal? I showed the one from the plumbing there, but what else?
So you're going to see those parts in kettles, in plumbing fittings, in every automotive vehicle, in your rear view mirror, airbag control systems, lots of safety critical items inside automotive cars.
Yeah. And you're a business that's doing well, aren't you? 65 employees?
Yeah, 65 employees, of which we've got 10 apprentices.
These are two of them?
There's two of them here, Dean and Ollie, year 3 and 4 apprentices, working on real tools here. This particular section we're walking down now is new tooling. So right. This is new orders from European and rest of the world customers.
So this is a new bit of kit, isn't it?
Correct. So we're currently building this tool up. So this is the first stages of a tool build. So we've got the drawings here. This particular tool will manufacture a component for tyre pressure sensors. So it'll tell you when the air's low on your tyres in the car.
So tell me, what has it been like preparing for Brexit? What have you been doing?
It's been a huge amount of work. For a small company like Brandauer and SME, we have been preparing for it for over 2 years now. The way we've been doing it is more regular discussions with our customers about Brexit, all of us in the supply chain, suppliers, us and our customers, understanding what goes where, what the potential implications are, planning for worst case. And here we are today. We're not sure quite where we're going to end up, but we have contingencies, strong ones in place to ensure continuous supply.
Are you prepared for anything then? Because at the moment that's what's on the table, isn't it?
I hope so. It's very difficult, a business of our size, to be prepared for anything. We've prepared for what we see as worst case scenario, which is a no-deal Brexit on WTO rules. We are ready for that. Our customers are confident in our supply chain, and indeed we're winning business from European customers still today.
Yeah, so you are prepared for if we leave the EU without a deal and we end up going to World Trade Organisation rules. So has this been costly for your business?
It has been costly, I mean, not least of which is time, management time, people's time and effort to go into this. But in tangible money terms, we're actually holding more stock than we would normally hold, circa £150,000 worth as a contingency to get over any delays in getting stuff in and out of the UK.
So what you guys want is certainty?
Certainty is what any manufacturer needs, so at least we can plan for whatever the outcome is.
Rowan, thank you very much. I appreciate you giving us a little tour as well. It's always fascinating. I just want to introduce you to Sally as well, who's from Deloitte, and she helps businesses to prepare for Brexit. We've had a bit of news out this morning as well, haven't we, about tariffs. So what have we heard?
We've had the UK government's announcement of the tariffs it will charge on imports into the UK.
And what is it? What have they told us?
They've said that 87% of goods are going to come in without any tariffs at all, which means 13% will have tariff rates. And those have been picked to protect UK domestic industries that would otherwise be suffering from competition if we let goods in tariff-free.
Doesn't that then make it difficult for us to negotiate future trade deals with countries if we're already giving, reduced tariffs or no tariffs on things?
Well, this is a temporary measure. It's going to apply for 12 months and then it's going to be revisited, and that's one of the things that will be taken into account. But yes, it's one of the many bargaining chips that make up any free trade negotiation.
Yeah. Thank you very much for your time, Sally. I really appreciate that. So much going on, isn't there? I'll hand you back to Lou.
Oh, thank you very much, Steph. It's really interesting to hear all those different points of view. Thank you so much.